strange occurrences, strange happenings, things that people will find it difficult to believe, difficult to comprehend. That's what God will begin to do in your life. First Corinthians 20:12 is that great and mighty things when it begins. In the name of Jesus, I said, when it begins, no one will be able to predict. Anything is possible. You begin to do as vocation demands. Is that one here? Is the person, the Spirit of the Lord talking about, is that person here? And now you will begin to do as vocation demands in the name of Jesus. It will not be hidden, it will be evident to all. Everyone will see it, everyone will testify. They will say your God has done you well, because God will fill your mouth with laughter. Everything you name, God will fill your mouth with laughter. Your neighbors will share the message. Your friends will carry the news. You will carry the news of us. Now it will be your turn. People will carry your news. In the name of Jesus, the news of what God has done will be carried